Guys, let's take a look the comparison of presidential salary in various countries. So guys, let's check which one is the higher big salary president in annual salary. Okay, so the first one we have Suriname from the number 50 spot, which is $133,000. We have also number 49 Colombia, $134,000. And we have on the number 48 Russia, which is $136,000 annual salary. And the next one we have Uruguay. Uruguay we have $139,000 annual salary. Yes. And we have here number 46, which is Finland, $141,000. And number 45, $146,000 from Zimbabwe. Yes, and 44 spot, which is Czech Republic, which is $149,000. Okay. And the next one, what we have here, we have Lebanon. Lebanon, guys, $150,000 annual salary. And for the 42 spot, we have Greece, $154,000. And 41 spot, we have Israel, $173,000. And the next one, number 40 spot, we have Guatemala, which is $178,000. Wow. And number 39 spot, we have here Uganda, which is $183,000. And the next one, Kenya, $192,000. You know what? While the number are decreasing, the salary also is increasing. Oh my God. So we have France. How much? From the France, $194,000. Yes. And here we have Chile, $196,000. And the next one, we have Turkey, $197,000. And the next one, we have South Korea, $211,000. And the next one, we have here South Africa, $223,000. And the next one, we have New Zealand, $260,000. And number 31 spot, Malaysia, $263,000. And the next one, we have here Germany, which is $268,000. Yes. And the next spot is Italy, $275,000. And the next one, guys,